this black driving trail a long time ago. Long time ago. And I'm curious to see just how much different it is, or if I even think it's all that or nothing. I did have to paddle down a little ways going down the other side here, so I'm curious to see how I do today. Oh! Yow! I guess I should have dropped off there, but I didn't want the camera to hit the tree on the side. I haven't been doing too good today. I don't know what happened, but I just can't make myself do any difficult trail. I just don't feel secure riding. I don't know what's going on. The last couple of weeks I've gone riding, it seems like I'm working my way backwards. I'm getting more and more timid. I'm not trying trails I know I could do. I just don't know what it is. It's really kind of weird. I don't know, have any of you guys ever done that? Where you literally seem like you're going backwards here. Instead of becoming a better rider or even just staying the same. It'd be fine if I just stayed the same, but you just keep getting worse. I don't know what it is. I wish I knew. I also think my mousses might be starting to get too loose or too soft. Feels like the front wheel is just too soft sometimes, and it kind of folds over, or just weird things. It feels like it's got a flat for a second. Probably could use new tires, both front and rear, and maybe just get some new mousses. You're supposed to take them out and re-lube them. I never did that, and they stopped leaking out all the lube, which means they probably have very little, if any, lube in them. So that wasn't too smart. Probably killed them. Doing this trial style, it feels like. Going too slow. Oh, this is, oh! Whoa! See, that's what happens when you don't place the rear wheel just right. I should have gone down the other way. Yeah, because this is so off camber, you can't ride that. I gotta drop over there. Easier said than done. Well, I guess I'm not doing as well as I thought I was. Yeah, that sucked. Big time. All right, maybe I'll turn around and go back up that. See how that goes. All right, this time I'm going to stay to the left. Got second gear. Oh, rest. Oh. Oh, my body does not like this. Whoa, Nelly. I was gonna loop it. I could feel it. it looks more difficult going up the rocks. Gives you traction. Jesus, come on. Instead of staying in all that soft stuff and rubble. Yes, I made it. It wasn't pretty, but I made it. I don't know what's going on. I just don't seem to have my mojo anymore. Sometimes I wonder if that's just has something to do with my wife not being here anymore. She was a big inspiration to me and motivation. I also don't realize just how much strength it took to help her, which I'm not doing anymore, so I am not as fit at all as I used to be. Especially lifting and transferring her, so my upper body is much weaker than it used to be. Just been sitting on a couch. So I think that has something to do with it. And I think just my mood. I don't know. I've been doing okay. There's some rough days here and there, but I just sometimes feel like I'm just going through the motions. It's kind of weird. You just kind of wonder how. You just gotta live life and go, but there's just nothing there. Hopefully I'll feel better after a couple months. I know. Whoa! I know. It's only been 6 weeks, so I got to give myself a break a little bit, but I don't know. Well, that was fun coming back up. There's actually a little spring here. All right, I just thought I'd show you guys. I've been riding around here, not filming. I don't even feel like filming. But I thought I'd show you that one just to see what it's like. All right, you guys take it easy. Try and stay safe out there, and I'll catch you later.
Thanks for watching. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you like what you saw, and leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.